Hello people, I wanted to show you application for checking condition and health of your hard drive. Application is called the Crystal Disk Info. I downloaded the latest version and that application has new update. It is free and open source. This is my SSD drive and it is showing also other drives are shown here. It is the drive itself is from 2021. It shows how healthy, what is health condition. I didn't overwrite many times. I bought a couple of days ago, but it was being used for by someone else. And what we got here? Refresh, rescan, advanced features. What we got here? This is quite interesting. So many things are here. Oh wow. I like that. Wow, I'm very surprised how many things are in this program. This is free and open source program. Okay, what I was supposed to do? What I wanted to check. Temperature. Wait a minute. 60? Oh. It cannot be like that. Should I people install heatsink on my SSD M.2 drive? I paid I paid 35 pounds for that drive, but I like very much because of its speed. What do we got here? Work around. I also have to check how long this will last. We got. I cannot really read those numbers, but I can check. Oh, I don't have any errors. I think that this application is good enough. Oh, I can see information here. Total reads, total host reads. Yes, I am happy. Oh wow, oh no, 1 terabyte has been written. It's not that bad. It is not too bad. Oh no. 10 terabytes or 1 terabyte? If someone can help me with that number, I would be grateful. Oh no, 10 terabytes has been already written. I'm glad that I was able to see this. Quite a lot. We will see how Drive will behave after a while.